In times of scarce resources and climate change, increasing the energy efficiency of buildings is one of the greatest missions of our age. Thermography helps you to meet this challenge. To do this, a thermal imager should possess certain technical properties. The image quality is of particular significance. In building thermography, even the smallest temperature differences have to be identified precisely. This is covered by the thermal sensitivity. In the thermal imager Testo 883, this value is 40 millikelvin. That means that the imager can detect temperature differences from 0.04 Celsius. In addition to this, the sensor resolution is crucial. It describes how many pixels can be presented in the thermal image. The Testo 883 has a thermal resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. With Testo Super Resolution technology, this even increases to 640 by 480 pixels. The imager's manual focus ensures that a thermal image is always in sharp focus and that you don't miss any anomalies. And for more distant objects, simply switch to the telephoto lens. Professional building thermography is characterized by the fact that indoor and outdoor recordings are taken. We're going to start outside. Depending on your preference, the Testo 883 can be operated either via the touch display or with the joystick. This is how it works by touch and here by joystick. Both are equally intuitive, and you'll certainly find out quickly which way you prefer. Let's start with the thermography. First of all, we set the thermal image's scale. Here we have the choice, manual, automatic, or with the Testo Scale Assist function. Just a few words on Testo Scale Assist. By entering the outdoor and indoor temperatures, the scale is automatically set correctly. On the left, two images without, and on the right one with Testo Scale Assist. So let's test which faults we can identify with the Testo 883 on the facade of this building. Here, for example, is a radiator recess. The story's flooring is a typical anomaly. That's a first impression of the faults in the outer building shell. We'll see what it looks like indoors. One classic anomaly are unsealed doors. In the case of this one, we can clearly see how the cold is creeping into the room on the right. The roller blind casing is insulated here, but cold outside air is penetrating through the belt hole. Here we can also see how cold air is getting into the room through incorrectly sealed power sockets. Testing heating installations is also possible without any problems using the Testo 883. In addition to this, leakages from water pipes or underfloor heating can be detected. Another important topic in building thermography is mold risk. The thermal imager Testo 883 supports you in evaluating this reliably. To do this, the imager needs the values for air humidity and air temperature. You can either enter these manually, or they're transmitted to the imager by the radio humidity probe Testo 605i. In combination with the thermal imager's special humidity palette, this enables you to identify mold risk really easily based on the traffic light principle. Here, the traffic light is red. That means acute mold danger for this measurement object. Time for some good news. The Testo 883 also transmits the measurement values live to the Testo Thermography app on your smartphone or tablet. Ideal when you're on site and need a second display, to let the customer follow the measurement live, for example. Finally, you can then create a professional report with thermal images, visual images, and your recommendations for refurbishment using the free software Testo IRSoft and send it to your customers. The Testo IRSoft stands out thanks to its comprehensive analysis functions and is always intuitively operated. And for the layout, almost all options are open to you. Either you use one of the numerous report templates, or you can create an individual layout according to your own wishes. In any case, the software allows you to create highly professional and persuasive thermography reports quickly.